Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Amazing Life photopolymer stamp set. It does have quite a few birthday sentiments in it, but there's a couple that are encouragement and a couple that are appreciative. So I thought this was a nice card to use. I'm making a birthday card today. I have a Whisper white piece of card, my stamping mat, and also a D block. Clear acrylic block and some markers. So I'm scribbling on some color on my D block. Started off with Pineapple Punch, moved into Mango Melody, which is one of my favorite yellow oranges, Pumpkin Pie on the bottom, and Melon Mambo in the middle. All right, I have a baby wipe here and I'm just spritzing my acrylic block a couple of times with my spritzer. I'm going to flip it around. I don't know what that little shake was, but obviously I felt I needed to do it. Do a little dance before you put the acrylic block down. You can see how fast the Whisper White, that was just a regular Whisper White card, soaked up the ink. And I did dry it with a heat tool on setting number 1 to try to just dry it quickly. And then I ran it through the Big Shot because I did want it warped a little bit. So I used the rectangle stitch die for that. And now I'm using my Stamparatus here. This is an awesome tool. And I think I inked up the Life's Too Short to Say No to Cake maybe twice, and then also twice, especially for the bottom of this cake. And then after that was all done, I just needed to go in and make that cake more standy out-ish, if that's a technique. So I just went over it with my blends markers. And who says that you can't color over already an inked area? I totally did here. It didn't bleed. It didn't do anything weird. It didn't turn green or purple or anything. It was exactly what I wanted. So I think I did the bottom layer of the cake in Pumpkin Pie and the top layer in Pineapple Punch. Oh no, Mango Melody. The flame was Pineapple Punch and the candle was Lovely Lipstick. And then I used the Mango Melody for my cake, the word cake, and I even went in a little bit with my Pumpkin Pie blends to mix that up a little bit. And then after that was done, here is my Mango Melody cardstock. Used a bone folder and then put a lot of adhesive on the back of that card front. And I'm not sure what went on here, but I put my card together like I normally would. And then there was just a little tiny bit of a hangover. So I ended up just trimming that off. And then I went in with my Wink of Stella. I was worried a little bit that I was going to activate the Memento Tuxedo Black ink, so I was very careful not to get that touching. Then I did a little spritz with my Melon Mambo and my Mango Melody, and voila, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.